Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create a phone wallpaper using our tool called Canva. So you're looking for some new wallpapers and you want to create something that is just a representation of your life or your style. Head over to canva.com and remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select here underneath where it says phone wallpaper. It's already going to be sized to the sizing that we need, which is 1080 by 1920. I know there's a lot of places where you can go and find wallpapers, but let's just say for the sake of this, you want to create one that is going to be dedicated to you. So I decided to pick this wallpaper to show you exactly what you would do next. So let's say you want to showcase the things that you did in 2022. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change the two X's to 2022. We're going to head over to the left hand side and select uploads. Here we're going to go ahead and select images and just drop them in place, and you will see all of the things just kind of take over and replace these images. Once you're done, all you have to do is hit share, download, and now you have a custom wallpaper made from Canva. If you found this helpful, leave a like. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.